So how do we develop adequacy in theories? Remember that the overarching goal here is to identify all theories that are relevant to the problem. To develop adequacy means to understand the theories and then evaluate the theories in the context of the problem. To do this, we use Fisher's strategy, published several decades ago in 1988. We start by identifying all the relevant theories from a single discipline, the discipline that advances the most theories. Theories from the same discipline are often easier to work with, to integrate, than theories from different disciplines. This will become more obvious later in step 8. For now, stick with the most significant discipline, the one that contributes the greatest number of theories. Once we've assessed the most significant discipline and tried to identify as many relevant theories as we can, then we turn to the other disciplines and repeat the process one by one. Each of these other disciplines may contribute only 1 or 2 theories. Eventually, we will end up with a list of many different relevant theories, each one providing a single line of sight or perspective about the problem. When we combine them, we have a more comprehensive view of the problem than we would if we just used any one theory. This task of identifying all relevant theories is essential to maintaining scholarly rigor and essential to producing a comprehensive understanding of the problem. Taking time to do this task makes it easier for us to make connections, to identify conflict, and to complete the subsequent steps of the IRP. Third, consider choosing a theory type and then identifying theories within that type. This is what we call a deductive approach. We start broad with categories or types, and then we narrow our search to identify specific theories that are relevant to the problem. Sawstock created a typology that can help us with this. You can find his typology of theory types in the textbook. He suggests we ask 5 questions of each theory, the 5 W questions. First, who? Who is the agent? Agents can be individuals, groups, social institutions, nations, the international community. Second, what? What does the agent do? They may act, react, or express. Third, why? Why does the agent do what they do? Non-intentional agents do not decide, and we attribute their actions to their inherent nature. Intentional agents make decisions using one of many types of processes: rational, rule-based, value-based, tradition-based, intuitive. Fourth, when? What time path does the process follow? Equilibrium, cyclical, unidirectional, or unpredictable altogether? And the 5th W question is where? Where can this information be applied? How generalizable is this information, this theory? Nomothetic theories represent information that is generalizable across groups, across nations. Idiographic theories are more specific and can be applied to only specific groups. Once we've identified relevant theories, we can begin to identify common ground and conflict. In what ways are the theories similar? How are they different? Do they cover the same aspects of the problem, or different aspects of the problem? Do they all approach the problem from an individual's perspective, or do they represent only the group's perspective? These types of questions can help us assess the contributions of each theory.